Want to make money online in the next 30 days, even if you're a student or total beginner? Watch this video till the end. In this video, I'll show you 7 simple and real ways to earn money online. These methods need no experience and actually work. I won't just give you ideas. I'll guide you step by step, how to start and how to earn your first payment. These are not random tricks you see everywhere on YouTube. These are real skills with low competition and high demand. Even if you choose only one method and start properly, your income will begin automatically. 1 appointment setter, 1,500 Indian rupees to 25,000 Indian rupees per month. As an appointment setter, your job is to message people using your client's Instagram or Twitter and book appointments. The more appointments you book, the more you earn. This job is easy to start and doesn't need any technical skills. There are many hiring posts on Reddit. For example, someone may write, "We'll train you, just need hardworking people with phone and internet." Another post may offer $15 per hour plus extra money for every booking, so the income can grow fast. Just search hiring appointment setters on Reddit and filter by past month to see real hiring posts. 2. YouTube Shorts Editor, 3,000 Indian rupees to 40,000 Indian rupees per month. YouTubers need help to turn their long videos into 30-second fun or viral shorts. You don't need expert skills, just basic sense of editing. Use free apps like CapCut to create these videos on your phone. There is huge demand for shorts editors. Some clients pay 800 to 2,000 Indian rupees per short, and monthly deals can go up to 80,000 Indian rupees. Want to find clients? Join YouTuber job groups where international creators post hiring messages daily. Free Google Business Profile Setup, 1,000 to 2,000 Indian rupees per setup. This is one of the easiest methods. Just create Google Business profiles for small local businesses like gyms, salons, cafes. It takes just 10 minutes. You fill in details like business name, address, phone number, and they get more visibility online. Local shop owners are happy to pay 1,000 to 2,000 Indian rupees for this because it helps bring them new customers. Work with just 10 businesses in a month. You'll easily make 10,000 to 20,000 Indian rupees. For podcast show notes writer, 2,000 to 10,000 Indian rupees per week. Podcasters need someone to write summary notes of their episodes, like what was discussed, guest names, key points. You can even use ChatGPT to help you write these summaries easily and quickly. Clients pay $30 or more per episode. You can contact podcasters directly or offer this service on Fiverr. 5. Virtual Assistant VA, 15,000 Indian rupees to 40,000 Indian rupees per month. As a VA, you help creators or business owners with simple daily tasks like checking emails, booking calls, uploading content. Start by messaging creators on Instagram or LinkedIn. Offer a 3-day free trial to show your work. If they like your work, they'll hire you long-term. With international clients, your income will be even higher. 6. Online tutor, 300 Indian rupees to 1,000 Indian rupees per hour. If you're good at any subject, math, science, coding, Excel, Canva, you can teach online and earn money. Teach via live sessions or create your own video course. Use platforms like Superprof, Chegg, or even Instagram to get students. You can earn 300 to 1,000 Indian rupees per hour, depending on what you teach. 7. Crypto trading. Use your savings wisely. Crypto trading is not easy, but if you learn the right strategy and start small with the money you earn from above methods, it can give great returns. Most people waste money on betting apps, but few invest in assets like stocks or crypto. To be financially free, you must invest smartly. When your money starts working for you, that's when real wealth begins. In trading, you are your own boss. No clients, no permission. All 7 skills are real, simple, and beginner-friendly, but they work only if you take action. Don't just watch videos. Work on these ideas daily, and your income will grow. I started with nothing. No degree, no experience. I was in a wheelchair. Now I earn lakhs every month, and you can too. Comment which skill you'll start first. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and join my Telegram channel. I'll share links to job groups, tools, and more help.